Welcome to Piazza, the new way to Q&A. When you join your class, there will be little traffic in your inbox. To jumpstart activity, start typing a question or topic in the top bar. You will notice that Piazza searches your inbox simultaneously in order to mitigate duplicate questions being asked. Once you're ready to submit your question, there are a few things you'll want to remember. First, Piazza supports hashtags for filtering. You can either indicate the appropriate assignment number or prepend any word with a hash to form a tag. As the questions pile up, tagging becomes an incredibly useful tool. Second, you'll want to indicate whether your contribution is a question or a note. Asking a question, for example about a problem set, allows your instructors and classmates to respond, while posting a note, such as a change in class location, indicates that a response is not needed. Once a question has been submitted, it's time to let the answering begin. At the core of Piazza is its wiki style of Q&A. Questions and answers can simply be edited on the spot. Students can enhance students' answers, and instructors can edit both students' and instructors' answers. This leads to one thorough student's response and another thorough instructor's response. Compare this to the jumbled conversation style of a forum or news group, and you'll immediately note the difference. And Piazza is all about saving you time as an instructor. If you notice that a student's response suffices, you can simply endorse his or her answer by clicking Good Question. Also, when asking or answering questions that could benefit from additional aids, don't forget to attach a file from your computer. Or, if a question has already been answered or could benefit from a previously asked question or answer, simply place the @ symbol in front of the number of the question you'd like to reference, and a hyperlink to that question will be instantly created. If for any reason you don't understand a question or an answer, simply ask a follow-up. Your follow-up is denoted unresolved by default. When you reply to a follow-up, you can indicate that the follow-up has been resolved, and additionally, enhance the answer above with anything useful from the follow-up discussion. And we understand that tracking changes can be incredibly helpful, so use the question history bar to track the evolution of any question and answer. Once class activity is off to a start, your classmates' or students' questions will start to pile up in your inbox. To lighten the load, Piazza allows you to filter in many ways. Popular tags for your class are located along the top bar of your dashboard in gray, as well as at the bottom of each question in blue. Clicking on any of these tags generates a list of questions containing the tag. You can also quickly filter by unread questions, indicated by a blue dot, questions you've chosen to follow, and are therefore receiving updates about via email. Unresolved questions, including unanswered questions in all red, and unresolved follow-ups with red text, and those that you've hidden, done by clicking on the X in the top left corner. And as you may have noticed, each question in your inbox contains icons that indicate whether a student and instructor both has responded to a question, someone has posted a note, or a question has experienced recent activity. Throughout the semester or quarter, you can seamlessly access your classes on Piazza. For each of your classes, you're able to see the average response time, those students who deserve shout-outs for quick responses, and the number of users currently online and that have been online during the week. We're excited to welcome you to Piazza. Now that you have the basics, it's time to start asking.